really pleased that Mildred are here working on this first section of infrastructure for One Horton Heath.
Here at the southern extent of the site, we'll have a link road connecting Bubb Lane to Burnetts Lane behind me, with a 4-arm roundabout serving Chalcroft Business Park, the southern gateway onto the development site and Burnetts Lane.
First thing we do when we arrive on site is set up a secure perimeter. We put up Harris fence and make sure it's secure. We then look at access onto the site, and we've got an access off of Burnetts Lane behind me, and we've got an access off of Bubb Lane coming in as well. We then look at removing the topsoil around the route of the road and take that material elsewhere within the site and store it safely for reuse at the very end of the project. We then look at taking the road down to a really good formation level. We then build that road back up again and then finally surface the road, and you end up with a nice complete road linking the new roundabouts at Bubb Lane and Burnetts Lane accessing the site.
Behind me is Bubb Lane that leads onto Hedge End, and here we'll see a new 3-arm roundabout that will connect the existing road to the new link road running onto Burnetts Lane.
When we get to the end of the project here at Bubb Lane and in the other locations, we'll have tie-ins to the existing road network from our new roads and roundabouts. When we construct those, we'll do everything we can to minimise the impact of that work and ensure that everyone's journey is as efficient as it can be.
We're now in the northern part of the site, adjacent to Allington Lane, where we'll be constructing a 3-arm roundabout connecting the existing highway to the new development.
One of the first things we'll be doing in June 2020 is moving an existing service out of the way of the works. So here at Allington Lane, the tie-ins of the new roundabout will all be constructed offline, away from the existing road, and that will help minimise the impact of our work. We'll be constructing a large soil bund next to where we're working, and that will form part of a nice area of green open space for the public to use once the works are complete.
We'll be creating a public open space, providing informal walkways with parkland trees, seating arrangements, ecological mitigation and general enhancements.
Throughout the construction period, we'll minimise the impact of our works on the local road network by controlling the number of vehicles in and out of the site at any particular time and making sure we don't hit the peak periods of the normal traffic around us.